Today we're going to be painting another Studio Ghibli scene, and it's from one of my favourite. I say this about every Studio Ghibli animation, I always say they're my favourite. I like them all really, but it is a scene from Princess Mononoke and it's the tree spirits. As always, I am wetting the page. As you can see, the water was not clear at this point because I already made the mixture of paint that I was going to use for the background. While I was waiting for this to dry, I was reading my book. I recently purchased an Eckhart Tolle book. It's called Oneness with All Life, and I thought I would show you a few pages that I saw in it that I thought was really sweet and also quite eye-opening. Now came to the grand final moment of me removing the masking fluid off where the tree spirits would have been, and this is the bit I was most frightened for because I was so terrified in case the paint had went under. When I remove it, I think for next time I need to make the layer much thicker, because you'll see that there was parts that the background did go onto the underneath bit. My camera unfortunately died at a certain point, so you will see that it cuts from them just being pure white to having shadow put onto them. Also, I refused to listen and charge my phone. I just forced it on low battery mode to keep recording, and this is why you shouldn't do that, because I got you'll see another glitch in the video where I finish only 3, I think, of the tree spirits' eyes and mouth, and then the last one just miraculously has eyes and mouth at the end of the video. That's because my camera cut off, and I'm lazy and I didn't charge it and listen to the universe telling me to stop being lazy and charge it, so I am sorry. Is the video pretty much. I am just now removing the masking tape. It's my favourite part probably, actually. But the whole painting in real time actually took me about an hour and 30, maybe bordering on 2 hours to paint, so not that long, considering some paintings, when you do more like intricate paintings like oceans and like forests, real landscapes, I think take forever, and that's why I never do them, because I don't have the patience for it, and also I am still fresh in painting and I'm not the best, so I will get onto them eventually. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you have any suggestions what you'd like to see me paint, comment down below, give this a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.